Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song This Is What Having a Massive Crush on Someone Feels Like by Clinton Kane. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers, first I'm going to be playing this song as close as accurate to its original audio of this song as possible, so best playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated if I future videos. If you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just feel free to check out my YouTube channel. And yeah, that said, just go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords, or might as well just say the notes that we're going to use in this song, is going to be these ones right here. Yep. So basically it's going to be the F note, just going to be the 8th fret on the A string. And as for the rest of the frets, or for the rest of the strings, we're just going to be muting them with our other fingers as well. So it's going to be dead, 8, dead, 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 dead. So personally, I like to use all of these 3 fingers right here. Just place them on the fretboard, just letting it rest there, not pressing on it to not create any unnecessary sounds. Yep, because if you do press on them, it's going to be like this, and it's a messy sound. So just place them right there, just let it rest on them. Yep, next up is going to be the A sharp note, which is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be pressing on the 6th fret on the lower E string, and once again, using our 3 fingers to create that dead sound right there. Yep, 6, dead, 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 dead. That's going to be the D note right here. So it's going to be the 5th fret on the A string now this time. And once again, using these 3 fingers, it's going to be dead, 5, dead, 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 5. Yep, right there. Next up is going to be the C note, which is going to be this one right here. It's going to be the 8th fret on the lower E string now this time. Yep, once more, using these 3 fingers to create that dead sound. It's going to be 8, dead, 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 dead. Yep, so it's going to be the F note. That's going to be dead string, 8, dead, 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 dead. A sharp, D, C. Yep. Just like that. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's going to be a bit tricky. It's going to be like this. So for example, with the F note right here, it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yep, down, up, down. And for that up strum right there, what you're going to do is we're going to be releasing the tension on this finger. So releasing that tension. Yep. Just to create that dead sound, just releasing that finger on that strum. Once again, down strum, then up, down, up, then down, up, down, up. It's going to be down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep, to create that sense of rhythm and groove when it comes to playing this song. And as for my right hand, we're going to be placing this part of your palm on the bridge, or whatever you call this is on your guitar, and to create that palm muting sound. Yep, it's going to be down. So make sure to put this part of your palm into this part of your guitar to create that palm muting sound. Yep, to create that feel right there. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 3 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. So for the counting of the strumming pattern, the first of the 3 counts is going to be this one right here. Down, up, down, up. Then the second count is going to be down, up, down, up. Then for the third count, it's going to be the down, up, down, up. Okay, and that's for the intro as well as the hook and the outro section of this song. The chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so first up is going to be the F note, which is going to be like this. Down, up, down, up. Yep, then one more. Down, up, down, up. Then for the A sharp note, we're going to be doing the third count of the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, up, down, up. So all in all, it's going to be like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep. Then once more: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And it's going to be the D note for 2 counts as well: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's going to be the C note for 1 count: down, up, down, up. Then the F note for 3 counts: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep, so the one smooth motion is going to be like this. Yep, then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So once again. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and as for the first verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the F note for 6 counts, which is going to be like this. 1, 2. Yep, so it's just going to be 2 strumming patterns this time. That's 1. And that's 2. Next up is going to be the D note for 6 counts as well. Then it's going to be the A sharp note for 6 counts as well. But for this time, we're going to be separating it into 2 parts. So the first 3 counts is going to be like this. And as for the last 3 counts of this note, it's going to be like this. Just like that. To create that effect similar to the performance of this song in YouTube. It's going to be the F note for 2 counts. And this. Yep, then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So once again, F note for 6 counts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I don't really know you. Find a reason why my heart is out of my chest. The morning that I saw 2 angry people, I knew that I couldn't forget everything I went through. Led me to say that I still wouldn't settle for less. I miss my conversations. Dumb and Bob would always end up talking about you. The stable reservations. Tired of sitting alone in the corner and then the silly expectations. Thinking that you would go further than what we call next. Okay, and as for the first chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the F note for 6 counts, which is going to be like this. Then D. Then A sharp. Then C. I can do. Yep, similar to like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I wish you would just notice all the glances you would take through the heart of tasteless people. All the brooms, sweep them away. All the fours stuck on a table and these orange metal plates. Till my mind finds the courage that there's none that I can do. Okay, and as for the second verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the first verse section earlier, but instead of repeating that entire chord progression twice, we're only going to be doing it once now this time. That's going to be the F note. Then D. then yep, and once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. We aren't even dating, never will be, but somehow you ruin my life anyway, and it scares me up to the point that I'm thinking how someone lives in my basement over me and my body by being themselves. Okay, so for the second chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the first chorus section earlier, instead of repeating that chord progression once, we're going to be doing it twice now this time. So once again, F note for 6 counts, D, A sharp, then C. Once more, then D, A sharp, then C. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I wish you would just notice all the glances you would take through the heart of dismissed people. All those brooms, set them away. All the force stuck on a stable, and these orange metal plates fill my mind finds the courage that there's none that I can take. All that you want from me, 'cause I have nothing left to give you security. I swear I couldn't let the thought of you escape the room that I have solely sworn, till my mind finds the courage that there's none that I can do. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.